Well, hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high-five that subscribe button and you high-five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called the Hit, Hop, Slide. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so for this fun do-it-yourself game, you're gonna need, again, a balloon, and what you're gonna have to do is exactly what the name of the title of the activity is. You're gonna have to strike this balloon using either one hand or two hands. It's completely up to you. Once you hit it up, you're gonna have to hop, and then you're gonna have to slide over, and then once the balloon comes close to hitting the floor, you're gonna have to pop it right back up. Your goal is to see how many times you can keep it upright without it hitting the floor. If it hits the floor, you gotta start all over at your count. So again, it looks like this. We're gonna hit, hop, slide, hit, hop, slide. I'm gonna have 1 minute to try to see how many times I can hit, hop, and slide using only my hands. So make sure you stay tuned and I'll give this a try. 3, 2, 1, and hit, hop, slide. All right, that's 0. Hit, hop, slide. Hit, hop, slide. Hit, hop, slide. All right, so that's 3. That's my high score right now is 3. Hit, hop, slide. Hit, hop, slide. Hit, hop, slide. All right, again, 3. Hit, hop, slide. Hit, hop, slide. Hit, hop, slide. Oh my gosh, 3. Okay. Hit, hop, slide. Hit, hop, slide. Hit, hop, slide. Hit, hop, slide. That's 4. Hit, hop, slide. 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 6, 7, 8. Hit, hop, slide. 9, hop, slide. All right, so for level 1, use my hands. My high score was 9. Can you beat this Garcia? Drop a comment down below. All right, so now we're moving on to level 2. Now, level 2, we're gonna be doing the same thing. We're gonna hit, hop, and slide. However, this time we're only gonna use our legs and our feet. So it's gonna look like this. We're gonna go ahead and hit, hop, slide, hit, hop, slide, hit, hop, slide. And then we're gonna try to see how many times we can hit, hop, and slide in 1 minute. All right, here we go, level 2, starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Hit, hop, slide, 1. Hit, hop, slide, 2. Hit, hop, slide, 3. Hit, hop, slide, 4. Hit, hop, slide. Hit, hop, slide. Hit, hop. That's 6. Oh! All right, so start over. All right, here we go. Hit, hop, slide. 1, hit, hop, slide. 2, 3. All right, so that's 3. So 5 is my high score. 1, hop, slide. 3, 4, 5. Okay. 6. The face. All right, so 7 is my high score. Hit, hop, slide. 1, 2. All right, so if Garcia was able to get 7 and you get my score, drop a comment down below. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of hit, hop, slide. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the activity, what different types of movements you would use. Would you gallop? Would you skip? Let me know. Drop a comment down below. Don't forget to use our hashtag, the P.E Spot. And as always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.